Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to switch your buy it now listings to auction style listings on eBay. So open your browser and go to ebay.com, then log in using your usual account. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right area and click sell. This takes you to your seller dashboard, where you manage your listings, drafts, and selling activity. Once you clicked on Sell, under the Listing tab, you can create a new listing, or if you already have a Buy It Now listing prepared, go to Drafts. For this tutorial, we're modifying an existing one, so click Drafts. Then, find the listing you want to switch and click the Resume Draft. So inside your listing draft, scroll down until you see the pricing section. Under Format, you'll see your current option is set to Buy It Now. To switch, select Auction. This enables all the auction-related fields and settings so buyers can bid instead of purchasing instantly. Auction listings can attract more views, create urgency, generate buyer competition, and potentially drive a higher final price. So before finishing, double-check your title, description, images, starting price, category, shipping details, and etc. When everything looks good, choose Save for Later if you want to review it later on, or List It to publish your auction listing immediately. And that's it. You've officially switched your Buy It Now listing into an auction-style listing. This adjustment can really help if you want more engagement, more competitive bidding, potentially higher selling prices, and more visibility on your listing. You can repeat this process for any other listings you want to convert. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.